Yeah, they holding me back. She a little thotty bitch, so you know she hangin'. Beat made by Deluxe, so you know it's bangin'. Your hoe is a tree, so you know she hangin'. 6.5 for the goddamn detour. She holla at my brother, so you know that she whore. She said she fucking with you, but she fucking with me more. She see me snooze, I'm like, little hoe, can I see more? You smoking out the spot, got more pressure than seafloor. Gon' blow up the spot, we gon' turn it into seafood. I bring out the mop just to clean these ops up. Lame ass nigga ain't think we would pop up. Bring out the sweeper just to clean the block up. A nigga run up on me, he get hit with this blade. This sharp ass razor gon' give him a fade. I'm so clean, bitch, thought I was a maid. White ass bitch said she tryna get laid. I'm making this music, but I'm still not paid. That boy talking shit and he catching his fade. I just ride the bitch out her socks, so I scammed her. Can't fuck with that hoe if we not doing it on camera. Just got me a Mexican bitch, her name's Zamra. I just hopped up on the beat with this lean. Slide, then I twist, then I do my lean. She said my dick small, like what you mean? Alright, just wait till it's in you. Gonna make a couple mil, then I'll pop out at the venue. Man, she bougie as hell, she want the good shit on the menu. Nigga said he gon' pop me, but bitch, nigga, it's not in you. He say you wanna go to heaven, bitch, nigga, we gon' send you. Like a slap on bracelet, bitch, nigga, we gon' bend you. Like a bicycle wheel, bitch, nigga, we gon' spin you. Funeral home, Martix, finna fresh you. Like a rubber band, nigga, little bitch, we gon' stretch him. Like football, nigga, we gon' catch that bitch like. Nigga, like a Draco on me, bitch, nigga, catch his smack. Be the bitch, nigga, ass for eating food and smacking. Look back every 5 seconds, nigga, never catch me lacking. If I see the cops, young nigga, you know I'm tracking. Like that young nigga said, bitch, you soft like a poodle. Nigga, really talking body, nigga, I slap you in the face with a noodle. What about,